I am going to be talking to Nigerians in this video, but more especially to River State people, especially the Igbo extraction in River State. I'm going to be telling you hard truth. It's not going to be sweet. It is going to be a sad truth. Something you know, but you cannot accept it. It's so deep. So, the only thing you're going to do for someone who is on social media is that you need to share this video. Let them see it. Now, share this video. I'm not going to rush it. I'm going to break it down because it is time for you to know the truth. I am not from this, I'm not this, I'm not that. I want you to listen because it is now hot in this country. Number one, the true owners of this country are foreigners. Not you, not me. I want you to assimilate this, understand it. Share this video, it will be beneficial to somebody, somewhere. If the Fulanis were actually in the foundation of this country, their name would have been included. But no, it was Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. Wazobia. So at a point, they started adding their names. Hausa Fulani, Hausa Fulani. But as we speak today, Fulanis are the owners of this country, whether you like it or not. There is nothing you and I can do about it. And I want to assure you, if you are not a Yoruba, if you are not Hausa, if you are not Fulani, automatically you are Igbo. There is no two ways about it. If you are not Fulani, I take it again. If you are not Hausa, if you are not Yoruba, automatically you are Igbo. Because the seat they will give to Igbo people is what they will give you. The reason why Yorubas are actually testing that seat is because they are playing the card the Fulanis want them to play. That's the only reason. And the moment they stop playing that card, they ask them to play, they will actually unseat them, keep them where they will be, just like the Igbos and other ethnic groups. I am telling you that you are not the owner of this country. So there is a limit to what you can do. Because these people decide what happens and what will not happen. Look at what is happening over there. Kids are being abducted on a daily basis. They go to, they enter church, buy people, kidnap, and government is not doing anything about it. In fact, they are too silent that their silence is too loud for everyone to see. Do you understand what's going on? This is what they want, and it can happen. And those people cannot be held accountable. Nobody should hold them. And someone is standing, speaking for them, saying, you cannot do anything. Just negotiate. Bring the money. I will go and give it to them and ask them to wait. Calm down. Nothing will happen to that man. But you see what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? He was only talking. If you cannot be accountable and you are eyeing my people, stop doing it, or you let them go, or I will be forced to defend them. That is his trouble. And his sentence for life. Do you think it was Tinubu's decision where to sentence him? Or no. They told him that they want him this so place. Bring him there. This country is owned by those people. There is nothing you can do. And I want you to be very careful. Whatever you do, whatever you say, be very careful. Because they decide what happens. And there is nothing anybody can do about it. So, from my heart, I want you to be safe. If you are not a Yoruba, Hausa Fulani, you are Igbo. So that's why an Igbo man cannot test that place. Even a Benin man or come from it, you cannot. Jonathan to them was a mistake. and it will not repeat itself again. The moment our vice president becomes the president, oh God, let me tell you, nobody can fix this country. It's beyond repair. So if you are saying on daily basis, I'm not Igbo, I'm not this one, yeah, you're thinking that this is your problem. Yeah? You are in a long thing. It is time for you to come and, in fact, embrace your brothers and sisters. Feel like you have brothers and sisters. The time is now, because you don't know where they will enter tomorrow. You don't know what will happen tomorrow. Because once that thing happens, everybody will be crying. The time is now. But in everything, Nigerians should be strong. Igbos should be strong. I wish everybody well. Thank you.